Dear Jesus, you see the struggles I face, the weight I carry, and the battles I fight silently. Sometimes it feels too much, but I know you are my strength when I am weak. Lord, help me not to rely on my own power, but to lean fully on you. When I feel like giving up, lift me up. When I'm weary, be the wind beneath my wings. Give me the courage to face today and the hope to believe in tomorrow. Help me to trust that you are working even through the pain, and that you will bring beauty from these broken pieces. Strengthen me from the inside out. Let your peace calm my heart, and your word renew my soul. Thank you for being my refuge, my rock, and my constant help. Amen.